Next to me here in the shop, we have every car guy's wet dream, a 1970 Hemi Cuda.
That thing got a Hemi in it?
Hey, it's Mikey here with Caliber Customs. We're here on our lovely dyno room with a 1970 Hemi Cuda powered by a 472 cubic inch V8. So this was my childhood dream car. Everybody wanted the classic Camaro, the classic Mustang. A good majority, myself included, lusted for the Hemi Cuda. This had the big engine with a 4-speed manual. This was all about muscle and might and intimidation. And this car came in the most wild colors, as you can see, of a lime green and plum crazy purple and all the biggest shouty colors. And this was what I always wanted as a kid. Part of this car's iconic look is the big shaker hood. Back in the day when you really wanted to stand out of the crowd, the actual air cleaner is coming up through the hood, so as the car's engine is moving and shaking, you get to see that presence through the hood, and it was really intimidating. This car is what we consider a resto mod, that a lot of the appearance is kept as original as possible, but redone with modern parts like the Willwood disc brake system and a rack and pinion steering. So this motor makes over 500 horsepower at the crank, enough that it's making 442 wheel on our dyno, which is a very stingy dyno, being it is a Mustang dyno, which is the most true world for a measuring tool for horsepower. With this kind of power plant, you really want to make sure it is going to be dialed in. So we tune it here in-house on our dyno with Holley Sniper's system. So it's a complete fuel injected system now. So the fuel tank, all the lines leading up forward to the Holley Sniper is all installed, fabricated here by us. It's also controlled by Holley's timing system and their own distributor. So we have full control over ignition timing and fueling based on our tune. So the car is a lot more drivable in town and makes the most peak power when you need it. So I'd love to take you through and show you the interior of this beautiful restoration on this Hemi Cuda. We've got this beautiful restored interior of this Cuda that makes you feel all back the vintage vibes, everything from the wood grain on the top to the wood grain on the pistol grip shifter. The pistol grip was just such a really iconic piece, and you look at it and it looks like it's gonna be uncomfortable, but it's such a nice feel for rowing gears. It's just part of that whole experience of what was the most innovative thing that we could think of in 1970. It's just such an interesting thought. It's just a fun drive. It's got all the modern details. The original came with a 4-speed manual. This one's got a modern 5-speed in it, so you got a better overdrive gear. Again, so when you're cruising to car shows, cruising to the coast, makes it a lot nicer to drive. Fitted with vintage air conditioning system, so you can ride in comfort. You get all the original feel, but a much more modern, nice touch. All right, we'll fire this thing up, get to hear this thing purr. All right, thanks for watching our video coverage of this classic American icon. Go ahead and like our video, subscribe to our channel for future upcoming content, and I think you have to hit the bell or something.
That thing got a Hemi in it?